మీరే చేయాలమ్మా న్యాయం నాకు వల్ల తల్లి
బాబా ప్యాకెట్
There is a natural disaster here in the city of Vijayawada. Supposedly the capital of Andhra Pradesh is facing such a disaster and the union government has not made any statement to support or to help it. My question to Mr. Modi is, Andhra Pradesh has given you 25 MPs. Andhra Pradesh is one of the states that is sustaining you and your seat as the Prime Minister. And in return for it, since 10 years, Mr. Modi has done nothing. Beginning from giving us special status, even until this disaster, Mr. Modi has only backstabbed Andhra Pradesh. Now, what is stopping Mr. Modi from declaring this as a national disaster and sending help? Andhra Pradesh is one state that needs help in various forms, especially these poor people who cannot have a meal if they do not work. They do not even know where to turn to. The state government, whatever it is doing, is not being enough. We also demand Mr. Chandrababu Naidu, since he is extending unconditional support to the BJP, it falls on him, the onus is upon him to get help from the central government if necessary and to declare compensation to all these people, because most people have lost either lives or property or assets or fields. So it's very important, and Congress party is demanding that the BJP party and the Telugu Desam party, since they are in coalition and they are in alliance and they are in the government ruling, it is their duty to declare compensation.
Any further relief from the Congress party?
We are doing our best. Whatever we can do, we are doing. We also appeal to all the Congress cadre, not only in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, but whoever who can come and help the people of Andhra Pradesh. Please help.
Thank you.
ముఖ్యమంత్రి గారు తిరుగుతున్నారు, కానీ ఉన్న వాళ్ళకు కూడా సహాయం అందించాల్సిన అవసరం ఉంది. అసలు నష్టపోయారు, కొంతమంది ప్రాణాలు నష్టపోయారు, కొంతమంది ఆస్తి నష్టపోయారు, కొంతమంది పంటలు నష్టపోయారు. ఇలా రకరకాలుగా నష్టమే ఆంధ్ర రాష్ట్ర ప్రజలు ఇచ్చిన 25 కోట్ల సహాయం. మరి ఆయన కిరీటానికి నిలబడుతుంది మనమై.
బాబు చూసా ఎలాగో మాట్లాడినప్పుడు 2 నిమిషాలు ఆయన మాట్లాడుతాను.
బాబు